Hi everyone, and welcome to Math 227. So my name is Robert Mardirosyan. I'm going to be teaching the class. Actually, the class is fully online, but you are going to be seeing my recordings, and that's how we're going to run the class. So this is that's an introduction recording. I wanted to record this, kind of show you how the canvas is going to work. And then if you see me looking around, I'm just looking at my screens, and I'm not concentrating on the camera, so I apologize for that. Now let's start. As you all know, this is a short-term class, 5 weeks only, summer class. The date is we're starting June 14th, and the last date is July 15th, so it's very fast. The good thing about this class is fast. So instead of 16 weeks, you can finish it in 5 weeks. And the bad thing about it is fast because the study time is less. Just wanted to share that with you. However, I try to organize the course in a way so it's going to run very smoothly. Today in this video, I want to share the Canvas screen and kind of show you how you can follow the course and what you need to do if you want to finish this with a good grade. So let me share the Canvas screen. As you can see, this is the home page of the Canvas screen for the course Math 227 Summer 2021. And this is my screen, the instructor screen, but I'm gonna pretty soon show you the student view also. So as you can see, let's go to student view so we can have all that. Now this is the home page. What you did not to worry about are the details. So whatever detail you see here, you don't click on those, you don't need those. On the home page, probably one thing is useful is the assignments are weighted by groups. These are the exams, 60% homework, 10% quizzes, 5% discussions, 5%, and the final exam is 20%. I will go over that in a moment. So once we go over the syllabus. Now here you see the course syllabus and the modules. They are going to take you to the same place, which are the modules. If I click on the course syllabus, so we go to the modules, the page for the modules, and if you click here or on modules here, it takes you to the same place. That's where you're going to be all the time. That's where I've uploaded everything. So before going over the syllabus, let me tell you how I organize the course. You have the module, I can call this module 0 for the syllabus. Then after that, you have 4 modules, module 1, module 2, module 3, and module 4. Now how they work, module 1 contains the material for exam number 1. And I put the date for exam number 1. This course is fully online, but the exams, we are gonna all get together on a Zoom meeting, cameras on, and we're gonna take the exam, and I have the dates of the exams for you. So please organize yourself, put that in your calendar so you are ready for the Zoom meeting. And it's every Monday except the final exam. So the first exam is gonna be June 21st. From 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. So now how this works, all the material for exam number 1 is uploaded here for you. So you can click one by one, study those, and take the homework, take the quizzes. And I do have a sample exam for each exam. Take those and look at the solution of the sample exam. I've uploaded that too, and I have recorded myself for the solutions of the sample exam. Once you're done with all this, then you come in, I'll put the exam date again on the announcement, and I'll open the Zoom meeting with the link, and we can come in and take the exam. Now, before, again, to go over more details of the exam, let's go over the syllabus. If you click on the first one, welcome. This is a welcome letter from me to you, and please watch this. I put, you're gonna see a lot of videos in this class. Most of them are gonna be my recordings to teach you the material, and also I've picked some good videos from the YouTube, so you can click and kind of watch them. This first one is very interesting. It's an introduction to statistics. It's a YouTube video. Please watch those. And as you know, we're gonna be using Canvas for this. So if you're not familiar with the Canvas, you can kind of watch those, but I'm sure by this time you are. Now, our final here, I put, this is a 5-week class, and it starts June 14 and ends July 17. So the day of the final, maybe it's not on the 17th, before that, I think it's on the 15th, but we'll go over that. So it's not a 16 weeks class, as I told you when I started this video. It's only 5 weeks fast, but if you organize yourself, you can finish it with a good grade. Then I put some links for you here that LACC provides, Los Angeles City College provides. If you have any problem in these areas, you can contact them. How you can prepare for this course. Number one, you have to watch the recordings, very important. Do not watch them once, please. Watch them twice, 3 times, 4 times if needed, so you can really understand the material, the details. Then they're reading of materials provided for you. And I forgot to tell you, no textbook needed for this class. I have put all the reading materials. Some of them are my own notes, and some of them I picked them from different books, and I put them on Canvas, so you don't have to purchase any book. Then you have the homework. Do the homework several times, and each homework you can do that unlimited amount of times. If you don't do well the first time, do it the second time, but please do not memorize the answers. These are multiple choice problems. If you get it wrong, the next time do the work and then write it on a piece of paper, and don't just put the answer to get a perfect score, because you need to know the material. Once you're done with the homework, some sections have quizzes. Then you can go ahead and take the quizzes. If you do well on the homework, then you're going to automatically do well on the quizzes. After that, once for that module you have taken all the homeworks and the quizzes, then you can probably start the sample exam. And the sample exam, do it first. Once you're done, then you can check the solution and watch the video how I solve the sample exam, and I have gone over every single problem step by step. Sometimes it's a good idea to first go directly to the sample exam and kind of look at the problems, watch the solution, and then do the homework if you don't have, because most problems are picked from the homework, and that's going to help you. Watch it first, then go do the homework, then come back and watch the solution first. Plus, actually, before watching it, try to take it yourself first, then watch the solution, and you can kind of put a score for yourself, see if you're ready for the exam or not. How you can contact me. The Canvas inbox is the best way, and please just use that here, the inbox. If you have any questions, email it to me in the inbox. Try to not use the school email. I didn't even put that here. If you use the school email, then you have to put your name, the class you're taking, and inbox makes both of our jobs much easier. So please use this one. Here I put some material for you. This is an online course, 100%. It's not hybrid or asynchronous, so we won't have Zoom meetings. It's just all recordings, and you need to do the work. I've tried to make it very straightforward and easy for you. But you can click on those, and I'm going to publish the course once I'm done with this recording, and kind of get familiar how fully online courses work. Now, if you go to modules again, you finish this part, you can click on the course description, or you can go just next and previous. I'm sure you already know how to use the Canvas after the pandemic. So let's go next. Course description is what we are gonna be covering in this course. So please go over that. The technology we are gonna be using for this course, every stats class needs technology, and different professors use different technology. I use TI-84. And there's some YouTube videos on TI-84, the calculator, or I just put that on the screen and share the screen and on the lectures and show you how that works. So please, before the class starts, make sure to get a TI-84, and how to use that I'll teach you. Now, these are, again, my contact info. Again, the best way to, you're going to see this in several places. Use Canvas inbox. Again, if you have any questions, I'll reply them within 2 days, not counting the weekends, but sometimes I do it during the weekends too, since this is a short class, and that's how you can contact me. These are the same links that I provided on the welcome letter. So this is, again, sources you can use that are provided by LACC. Assignments and grade distributions. As I showed you when we started, we're going to have 4 Zoom exams, 100 points each. This is 60% of your grade. Group discussions. This is just doing the sample final towards during the last week, and you can kind of go into discussion, share that with your classmates, and work on the sample exam. That's 5 points, but it's 5% of your grade, so very important. Then we have the homework assignments, which is, these are major, 10% of the grade, and we have quizzes. Not all the sections have quizzes, but the total quizzes is 5% of your grade. And we're going to have a Zoom final, 200 points, and that's 20% of your grade. Now, please remember, no makeup exam, but I do drop the low score. So organize yourself, take a look at the exam dates, and make sure to be there, because no makeup exam. If for some reason you cannot take an exam, then I will drop that exam. But everybody needs to be on that meeting during the exam times with the cameras on. So please, that's why I'm publishing this course early, so you can organize yourself and make sure you are going to be there the day of the test. The grade distribution, 90 to 100 is an A, 80 to 89 is a B, 70 to 79 is a C, and 55 to 69% is a D. I have programmed Canvas to calculate your grade automatically. So each time you take a homework assignment or a quiz on a test, you will see your grade. And also Canvas automatically will drop one of your tests. It has all been programmed in the Canvas. So since it's an online course, then you see your grade after each homework, each exam, or each quiz, and you can see the changes also. Now, the required items, rules, and guidelines for this class, please, well, I'm sure we all do, you need a computer, laptop, so internet connection, a camera for the exams, and that could be even your cell phone, I don't mind. And most important is the TI-84 graphing calculator. You can rent that or you can buy it, so start working on that, please. Now, exams, no late submission. Well, exams is just I open it and I close it the day of the exam. No makeup exam. So as I mentioned, so you must be able to submit your work by uploading your single PDF by using any device necessary. Now, the only thing you're going to be uploading is the sample exam, and you have to show your work on that and upload it, and it has to be single PDF file. Please do some research on that. I'm sure by now all students know after the COVID how to do that. If you're not familiar with that, put it on the discussion, and I'm sure students can help you, but it's your job to know how to upload a single PDF file. So, and of course, the final exam, we all have to be there. If you don't take it, then I'm going to have to put your grade accordingly, and it's not going to be a passing grade. Now, the due dates, please go over that. And again, submission, single PDF file, it's very important, and that goes only for the sample final for this class. So all exams are multiple choice, so it's wrong or right. So but if you do the homework, the quizzes, the sample exam, you should be able to do very well on the exam. Email guidelines, we went over this. Canvas inbox is the best way. Again, if you email me to the school email, please put your name and the class you're taking, because I teach several classes. So I don't know, that's why I encourage all my students to just email me in the inbox. So, and I will answer them within 2 days, not including the weekends I put there. But if I'm here working and I see if somebody emailed me, then I'll just reply it, even if it's a weekend. Academic dishonesty, so we all know what that is. So if again, the exams are Zoom exams, the final is a Zoom final, cameras on. And if I suspect if you're breaking the academic honesty law, then I will have an individual Zoom meeting with you to check to see if you know the material or not. So please learn the material. That if you organize yourself, this course is designed very smoothly, and these are good material to know for your future classes, any major you're in. Important dates. These are the important dates I picked from the school site and the summer school. Again, this class goes from June 14th to July 18th or 17th, but I think our final exam is on the 15th. I have the date for that, which is a Thursday. That's the last day of lecture. The dates that say to be announced, it wasn't announced yet, but this is the same site. If you click on this link, you are going to see those dates. And once they publish it or they put the right date, then you can kind of check on that. Student learning outcome, please do not worry about that. It's not for summer, but we have to have it on the syllabus. If anything, I will inform you on that, but no worries for now. Final exam, yeah, the date is on Thursday, July 15th from 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Make sure you organize your time so you can be available for the final. Now, if we go, this is the last, I know there is one more item on the, which is important. So next. So this is the course outline. If you click on that, then I've organized it. So if you want to follow this, again, exam number 1 is module 1, and I put the first, we're going to start with data analysis. Then we're going to do a little bit of probability. Then take our first exam is on data analysis and probability. Module 2 is probability distribution. So we're going to see probability distributions. We're going to learn about binomial distribution and normal distribution, and so on. So I organized the course for you on a daily basis, and I put Saturday and Sunday, but you do need to study on Saturday and Sunday because there's a lot of material and short time. So that's a way to follow the course. is completely your choice as long as you are ready for the exams and you finish the assignments. Now, once we take exam number 4, that's on July 12th, and you're going to be left with 2 days. So July 13th and 14th, you can work on the sample final and submit the sample final so you can get full credit for the discussion, and that's 5% of your grade. Once you're done with this, then you're ready for the sample exam and you can take it. So let's go to next. Now, next starts module number 1. So let me go to module number 1 so you can see. Now you have the lecture notes here. These are notes. Please read those. So especially for the definitions, this is just reading material. And if you go to the next one there, I have a lecture on data analysis. This is a lecture from last semester. So, and I won't take this out. It's a Zoom lecture I recorded. You can watch this. And I'll put the standalone recordings too. So this is the second lecture. And here, as I told you, there's some YouTube nice videos in this. So please do that. That helps you for the definition, especially for homework number 1. And these are not long videos. Watch those so you can answer the definition problems. So let's click on next. And again, those discrete and continuous data, please watch this. And these are short videos and you can learn the material very fast. So observational and experimental studies, these videos just explain everything. Again, these are short YouTube videos, especially for module 1. I have used those, a lot of those, but for definitions, YouTube videos, they do a very good job, and I've been very selective. So now once you finish all those, then now you're ready for homework number 1, and you can go ahead and take that. Let me go back to modules. So we watched the up to here. You can go over all this, not once, do it 2, 3 times, then start taking the homework. And then after that, take the quiz. Don't take the homework just once unless you master the material. Do it a couple of times, and one more time, do not memorize the answers, please. So then we have more lectures here with my lecture notes. Let's check the notes also. So here are the lecture notes. You watch the video and you can follow this. Then I might just upload a standalone video for this one, but I don't want to take the last semester in class remote recordings out, so you can kind of see how it was working, and that works for the students. So no reason to take them out for this class. And again, once you finish everything, you're going to see the sample exam number 1 by itself. So this is on paper. And it's a good idea to go over the sample. You have the solutions here at the end. And take it, double check. And also if you have a lecture on sample exam number 1, and you have the video, that's my lecture. I solved every single problem on the sample step by step. So you can look at the solution and watch the video at the same time. So let's go back to modules. So basically that's how it works. Once you're done, then I'll open the exam number 1 for you, then you can take it. these are the formulas for exam number 1 that you can use during the exam. You don't need to memorize the formulas in statistics. You just have to know how to use them, and you can use the formulas during the exam, these formulas that are provided for you. And of course, your calculators also. And that's gonna continue for every single module. So if you get used to this system, then you're gonna see the course is gonna be rolling for you, and you can go over every single material several times. So that's how it is for 5 weeks. And if you do well and you earn good scores on the exams and the final, you can earn a good grade in 5 weeks in this course. Let me leave the student view. I think we went over all the details. So please watch this recording a couple of times. If the Canvas screen is blurry on the recording I did once, and it was, you have the same your own. So once I publish the course, so you can go over yours and watch this recording at the same time. And if you have any questions, you can email me in the inbox and I'll try to answer them. So we might have an orientation Zoom meeting. That's probably the only Zoom meeting we're going to have, which is going to be next Sunday. Anything, I'll just upload it on the announcement. And I'm sure you get an email, but each time you open the Canvas page, check the announcement, and then go to modules. So that's how we're going to be communicating. I think that's it for this introduction video. Again, thank you for enrolling in my class, and hope you do a very good job and end up with a very good grade. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the next recording. Thank you for watching again. And again, don't watch this once, and each video, want to watch it 2-3 times. Have a good one.